another mobile game video. Anyways, guys, my name is Elise, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my Stardew Valley on my mobile device. Now, if you haven't, if you subscribe and go watch our Stardew Valley series on Crazy Curve 123, you will see that I'm doing way better on there than I am here. But let's get this started. My name's Luca here, and it's Lucktastic Farm. I think it was year 5 or year 4. Don't know. Loading's fine. Alright, so this is what I look like. I have a... Okay, a car alarm just went off. Okay. This is my husband Sebastian's room. He has a frog because, you know, frogs. My room, my bear statue, my loom that's really messy. We have like 4 looms in the other one. All my stuff in that chest. My 1 recycling machine and seed maker. More trash, even more trash, and even more trash. So actually, my TV is not flat screen. We've completed the community center in here, which I have the trophy. All my recipes. This is a really quick tour. Obviously, anyway, let's go get the outside. Obviously, this is more messier than mine. And I have a Junimo hut in a nice position over here with all my nice, good, all sorts like messy scarecrows. I think this is like a premise. And I have the Junimos with the prismatic shard to make them turn colors. My well is over here, which for some odd reason doesn't have a path around it. This is my 1 fish pond with sturgeon. I have not done the movie theater. Okay, actually, this is my husband. If I could go up there and talk to him. Thank you. Stop talking to me. There we go. My horse, I forgot what I named him. Sebastian. And his name is Grover. This is me, my wallet. Very few. Only things here. Never gotten a legendary fish in this game. And these are my relationships with people in the game. Trashy. We have our animals. We have a pig who is stuck in a truffle, which is weird, but we have forgot his name. That's Jeff. We have Jeff, T-Rex. We have Eggy. These are some cheesy names. Carrot. U-Rex. A B C D F G H J K L M N P Q R S T U. Get it? Richard. We have this 1 apple tree. I believe that's a peach tree right there. There's supposed to be 6, but they're like biting eyes. And then we have my wine shed, aka winery. I have barely done any of my eating things. I forgot what I was supposed to do today. There's no point in collecting that because I'm not saving this day. Now we have our greenhouse, which houses a few ancient fruit up there and special fruit, which is growing. It was sweet berries. Our cave's up there doing mushrooms, but if I can get to it, do all this mess, I would. Alright. One honey. Oh, and pomegranate tree. This is my pathway to things. I'm very lazy. I was bored. Oh. No, I don't have an automatic grabber. Look at alcoholic Pam. Our money's pretty good too. Now, if I can go and show y'all the missing bundle, I can move faster. Unlike the one that we're doing now, it does not have prismatic shards, so another prismatic shard that was supposed to go in there. I guess I never put one. We don't talk about how I'm not even halfway through. The difference, and yes, the graphics are not as well, and it's tapping and mobile stuff. Here, there's a random patch of grass. We have the community center. So that's technically all that I have to show at the moment, because it's not necessarily different. It's just this is only my farm that's different. But if you enjoyed, leave a like and please subscribe. Bye.